Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a rounded edges video using masking feature. So first, you need to import your video to Capcut, and then just click on it. Swipe until you find the mask feature. So in here, just click on the rectangle option, adjust the size like this. And then here I'm going to lower it a bit. You'll see there is an option here to make it a rounded edges, so you can just drag that feature so that you'll have rounded edges like this. And after that, you can click on the check icon, and now you are done with the rounded edges video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.